Hi students, how are you all? Fine, isn't it? Okay. Did you study the numbers from 1 to 9? Yes. Then did you study that number line? Yes, that one also you studied, I am sure. Okay. Now you have the concept of or you have the idea of numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. So now I will ask some questions. You listen carefully and tell the answer correctly. Okay. How many heads do you have? Yes, one head. How many nose do you have? Yes, only one nose. Okay. Then now tell me how many tails do you have? How many tails do you have? Yes, everybody said no tails, isn't it? Yes, we have no tails. We have no tails. Monkey, what about monkey? Yes, monkey has one tail and we have no tails. Correct. Now tell me how many ears do you have? Yes, two. How many eyes do you have? Yes, two. How many hands do you have? Yes, two. And you have the idea about two. Now tell me how many wings do you have? How many wings do you have? Yes, your answer is yes. No, we have no wings. We have no wings. Correct. Now tell me how many legs a chair has? Yes, correct. 4. How many legs an elephant has? Yes, that one also 4. An elephant has 4 legs. Now tell me how many legs a snake has? How many legs a snake has? Yes, that answer is also no. Snake has no legs. Correct. Now I will show something. You watch it and tell me the correct answer. Okay. Here I have two boxes. Can you? Okay. How many boxes are there? This box is full of chalk pieces. And what about this box? Nothing is there, isn't it? There is nothing, and this box has full of chalk pieces, and this box is empty or nothing is there. So we got another new word, nothing. Did you ever hear this word? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing is there. Okay. Now, how many flowers are there? So many. As a revision, we can count it and find out how many are there. 1, 2, louder. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flowers are in this flower vase. Then, what about this flower vase? Yes, there is no flowers, isn't it? In this flower vase, no flowers, and in this flower vase, 9 flowers. Again we got the answer no flowers, isn't it? Okay. Now I will show something. Here I have two bowls. Can you see? I have two bowls. I know you are happy to see this topics. Okay, I will surely distribute this when we meet in the school. Okay, after lockdown when we meet, I will surely distribute this. Okay. Now, before that, you tell me what about this two bowls? Yes, correct. This bowl has nothing and this is full of toffees. Correct. This bowl is full of toffees and in this bowl nothing or there is no toffees. Okay. So we got again the word nothing, no. Then one problem is there. We represented number 1 as this, 2 as this. But how we can represent this idea, no, nothing, empty, by a number? Do you have any idea? But I have idea. We can represent this idea by the number, correct, somebody said it, 0. That is, 0 means nothing. We can say that 0 means nothing. Okay, so once again we can say that there is 0 flowers. Okay, there is 0 toffees in this bowl. There is 0 chalk pieces in this box. Clear? All of you? Okay. Here with me, my friend is here with me. Can you see? Yes, he is Ramu. But he is so hungry. What I will do? I have one solution. Only one mango is with me, and I am going to give this mango to this Ramu. Then he will be happy. Okay, one mango, and I am going to give him this mango. Then, and how many mangoes will left with me? No mangoes. Okay, only one mango I had, and I gave that mango to Ramu. Now I have, yes, correct, 0 mangoes. Correct. So we represented nothing and no by the number 0. Did you get the idea of 0? Once again, 0 means nothing. Correct. Okay. I know you are waiting for the picture, isn't it? With the 0 also, we can draw a beautiful picture. Look at, you can draw 0. With 0, you can make a beautiful ball, or you can make smiley, isn't it? Then you can draw a bird also, like this. Then it's big. Then its wings. Correct. Then its tail. Okay, so practice this and enjoy. We can wind up our class. Thank you. Have a nice day.